Coach Carter here from the FHC PE department. I'm going to have your son or daughter in class this semester with PLF, and I'm super excited about having them come back after this really tough time we've been dealing with for the last 6 months. PLF stands for Personal and Lifetime Fitness. It is the prerequisite PE class for any other PE class that your student's going to take here at FHC. We'll talk about sports like basketball, volleyball, soccer, football. We'll be playing some baseball, softball. We'll work on fitness testing, understanding how the components of fitness with cardiovascular, physical activity, muscular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, body composition, which is how much body fat percentage the student has. So we'll be doing these different things. It's really a foundational course that gets a student introduced to everything that we have to offer here at FHC when it comes to our PE department. This is my 14th year in education, my 3rd year here at FHC. I've enjoyed every year so far, and I'm really looking forward to getting things back to normal as possible this semester as we come out of these tough times. If you have any question at any time, please feel free to email me, as I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can to try to make sure that we have the best semester we can for you, your student, and myself as we continue to build rapport through over the next 4 years. Thanks so much. I'm looking forward to a great year here at FHC.